Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're interpreting graph stories. We've done in the previous video, we looked at actually graphing the stories, having a situation where you graph the lines on a graph based on what's in a story. Here we're going to take a look at a graph already done and interpret what we see. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. Alright, now here is where I usually read the question. I'm going to read the question, but I'm going to read it step by step, and I'm going to highlight exactly what they're referring to on the graph. Okay, so Bo left his house and drove to the store. He stopped and went inside. From there, he drove in the same direction until he got to the bank. He stopped and went inside the bank. Then he drove home. So the line is showing, it's not telling you any numbers or anything, but you can see based on the graph what part is what and where everything is going. Then the next part we're going to interpret. How long was Bo in the bank? Well, the bank is the purple one right here that's highlighted. And it was from 16 to 18 minutes, which is 2 minutes. So Bo was in the bank for 2 minutes. All right, here's another example. Okay, so same thing. I'm going to do the same thing and highlight each section here. During a snowstorm, snow fell at a rate from a number of hours. Then it stopped snowing for a number of hours. Then it started up again at a different constant rate. Aria made a graph showing the inches of snow on the ground over time using the data that she collected. So you see here, snowed, stopped, and then kept snowing. So now what they want to know is at what rate was the snow falling during the first snowfall? Well, the first snowfall is here. So what we want to do is find that rate, that rise over run, that change. Okay. So I'm going to do the whole rise over run. Okay, from the beginning of the line to the end of the line. So you go up 4 inches in 8 hours. Up 4 inches in 8 hours. Okay, so that's the rate. But you can notice none of those are the answer here. So what you want to do is you set up the ratio by putting the rise part over the run part. 4 inches over 8 hours. And then just simplify the fraction. And you got 1 inch every 2 hours. So it's going to be D. And that's it. That is interpreting graph stories. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.